Are you looking for the best car emergency kits? In today's video, we're going to explore top 5 car emergency kits that we have found through our entire research process. We made this list based on 5 things, such as utility, giftability, item quality, size, storage. There are many types of car emergency kits that may be the best, but sometimes they didn't fulfill your requirements. The first secure car emergency kit bag is our most recommended pick for its overall features and real user feedback. We will go into the deep overview in the next, but if you hurry, let's have a quick look at the quick comparison table. Here you can easily compare the top 5 car emergency kits. We tried to show you some great features that may fulfill your requirement and some of the limitations of these products. If you find this table helpful, be sure to give us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We have added all the products link in the description box below. If you are interested in any of them, feel free to check them out. All of the listed products are available on Amazon. Now let's go to the deeper section of this buying guide. At number 1 is the first secure car emergency kit bag. One of the best tool selections on our list belongs to First Secure. Everything in the bag is geared on getting you back on the road without using a tow truck. The air compressor and tire plug repair kit can assist patch minor flats until you can reach a servicing facility. We appreciate that this kit is under $50 in price, along with a heavy-duty tow rope to help you get out of a jam when your tires aren't providing enough traction. This kit also includes tools for changing flat tires. Additionally, especially if you have a truck, it's fantastic for assisting people. The bungee cords are excellent for holding down loads at any time or sagging panels following a collision. First Secure doesn't come with any safety equipment than a reflective triangle and some gloves, not even a poncho. Although the firm claims that this was done on purpose to reduce the amount of filler equipment, a safety vest seems like a no-brainer. At number 2 is the HAIPHAIK Car Emergency Roadside Kit. Even though it is missing certain essential things, the HAIPHAIK Emergency Roadside Toolkit is still an excellent deal considering its price of only $48. The emphasis of this kit, as the name might suggest, is on the tools that are provided. These tools include things like a hammer, knife, and tape measure, in addition to other items that are not typically seen in other emergency car kits. The fact that it is missing a number of vital pieces of equipment, such as a fire extinguisher and a tire inflator, naturally lowers its worth. However, the value can still be considered fair. However, if you are searching for something to get you started, with the understanding that you will be adding to it in the beginning, this kit may be the one for you. At number 3 is the STDY Car Roadside Emergency Kit. One of the top emergency kits on Amazon is the STDY Car Roadside Emergency Kit, and for good reason. The bag comes with useful items including jumper cables, tow ropes, flashlights, and a safety hammer that can smash your window and cut your seatbelt. Better still, its parts all come with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. The STDY Emergency Bag's first aid kit is smaller and less comprehensive than other solutions we've compared it to, which is our biggest criticism. A small pair of scissors, medical tape, tweezers, a utility blade, safety pins, cotton swabs, and a whistle are the only items you'll discover. Therefore, if you intend to buy this package, we highly advise that you also add some bandages, despite its inadequate first aid package. The cheaply priced emergency kit comes with a good assortment of materials that will enable you to resume your normal activities in the unfortunate event that you encounter a roadside emergency. Its reflective warning triangle, reflective safety vest, and flashlight for signaling for assistance are features we like. We also value its wide range of tools that can help with tire repair. At number 4 is the Kolo Sports Roadside Emergency Car Kit. Your needs are fully covered by the 156 parts that make up the Kolo Sports Roadside Emergency Kit. We like that a wide range of tools are available to assist you in performing more significant repairs, whether you're doing them in the middle of the road or in the parking lot of an auto parts store. The screwdrivers, sockets, pliers, and utility knife that come in their own hard toolbox inside the set are our favorite tools. This package also includes an adjustable wrench, electrical tape, cable ties, tow rope, and a multi-tool, which makes it even more impressive than if those were its sole tools. Additionally, there includes a sizable first aid bag, safety equipment, and a tow rope. A fantastic extra is the seatbelt cutter/window breaker combo. There's no air compressor present, only a tire pressure gauge, and a tire repair kit. At number 5 is the Top Gear Car Emergency Kit. Consider this roadside help kit from Top Gear if you're on a tight budget and need a high-quality car emergency kit at a reasonable price. It doesn't include as much equipment as more expensive options, but it still has a respectable selection of goods that will be useful in an emergency on the road. In addition to jumper cables, a hand power torch, a folding multi-tool, knit gloves, a rain poncho, a luminous triangle, and some glow sticks, the Top Gear package also contains a reflective safety vest, a tire pressure gauge, a whistle, a bungee cord, and an emergency blanket with luminous material to keep heat in, and alert rescuers are some more minor but noteworthy items. There's even an accident report form, so in the terrible event that you collide with another car, you can receive all the information you require from the other party. At the end, it is important to remember that worrying about money doesn't actually do anything to help. Instead, it can actually lead to more anxiety and stress. So the best way to stop worrying about money is to take some time for yourself, relax, and let go. Finally, remind yourself that you can always fix things if they get too tough.